Hello and welcome to this new video in which I'm going to explain the platform that we are going to use. Now, as you can see in this platform, in the top corner you can see your balance, and this is a real account balance. And there is also a demo account balance that you can use for paper trading for free if you want to test things around. And this account has $10,000 as a demo account, and you can reset that amount when you lose it. Now, you can click on the demo account here to reset the balance once you use all of the balance, and you can use the demo account from the real account from this window. You can even open additional accounts, and we will talk about that in a minute. Now, here on the left side, you have My Accounts, which is a tab that shows you your accounts, the real and demo accounts, the open position, the trading history, and everything you need to know about your account status. Now, on the left, we also have funding. Funding means adding funds to your account. And as you can see, it will not allow us to add funds to our account unless our account is verified. And we will show you a real account, My Account, in the next lesson, and all of these options. Now, we also have copy trading feature. And this feature is the feature that we are going to use and introduce in the coming lessons. And we'll explain it in full details. As you can see, a lot of people are trading and you can easily copy any of them, and we'll explain how to choose the profitable trader to copy to earn passive income easily without sweating. Now, once you are done with this, which is copy trading, let's go back one step and check competitions. Now, this website has a lot of competitions in which they give you actual money in return of you investing in the platform or if you are trading, and they have different type of competitions. Now, if you are one of the top traders who are making money, you can win real money up to $20,000. Now, I'm not or I haven't tried this because I'm not trading. I'm just copy trading to earn passive income. Now, we also have other features like Refer a Friend program, in which you can earn money by referring people to this platform. They will give you, I think, $150 for everyone who you refer to this platform. Easy money that you can get once you make sure that this is the right platform for you. And here we have a research in which you can see headlines for top news on trading and on everything related to trading. You can see the Bitcoin to USD, Euro to USD, and the top coins here on the top corner. And you can see the latest headlines in the news regarding trading. And they have other features like My Wallet, education if you want to learn more. They have VPS subscription, and they have a lot of other tools that we will not go into. Now, what we really care about here is the deposit button. Now, in order to deposit on XM platform, you need to have your profile verified. So in the next step, I'll show you the different deposit options that you can use to deposit money so that you can start your copy trading and passive income journey.